So, yeah, this is my journey from dark brown hair to ginger hair. And yeah, this is how it came out. I did go to a stylist, and I was very happy with the level of health my hair maintained after having it be lifted because she did lift, and all my curls remained. The integrity of my curls were not compromised. And for that, I'm happy. But the actual color, I did not like it. I was not happy with the color. So I decided to add some brown to it. And so this is the color I went with. It is a henna. And this is right before I rinsed it out. And I was worried because it was turning some tones of green. But afterwards, I was happy. I did feel like it was a little too dark, especially for me having just lifted my hair. But in the sunlight, this is how it looked. I was happy. And then when it dried, I was even more happy. But the back was still a little dark. It has since lightened up. I think this is the next day afterwards. But I am overall happy with the results and glad that I did it.